Hi, I'm Grant King and we have another great listing for you. We're here today on a great property, 2.5 acres right at the edge of Pearland and Manville. The growth in this area has been amazing, and this is a great spot to call your own right here. 2.5 acres, you have a great shop that's 24 by 28 that's ready to put your stuff in there and start working. You have 2 great buildings, one of which has a full bath and kitchenette. This has a gated entry, and you're located right off of Bailey, so you can zip up 101 and just jump on 288 and zip into town. Or you can head the other way to Lake Jackson and Freeport. The location is great, and again, 2.5 acres, this is just beautiful. This is a beautiful area that you can just really enjoy the space and enjoy being out in nature. Isn't this great? Look at this deck. Can you imagine just relaxing out here and enjoying your property here in this area? If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, call me today.